Club. Okay, today we're gonna make cake in a mug. I've chosen a pretty big mug because I want it to fit all of my cake mix in it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a pre-made box of funfetti cake mix. Okay, I'm following a recipe, so if you see me looking down, I'm reading my phone. Alright, so the first thing we're going to need is 3 tablespoons of this cake mix. Okay, so I have my tablespoon here. We need 3 of them. We're going to measure out. Ooh, 1. Already making a mess. 2 and 3. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add, I already added 1 tablespoon of water. Okay. So I already had that in my bowl, so we'll need 1 tablespoon of water, and then the recipe I'm following suggests 2 tablespoons of unsweetened applesauce. Gives the cake a little bit of moisture. Okay, I don't have unsweetened, but I do have this. It's actually strawberry, so it's probably going to make it a little bit more sweet, but we'll try it anyway. I'm adventurous. Okay, so we need 2 tablespoons. So we're going to do 1, 2. Okay, now the recipe says 1 tablespoon egg. So, I'm going to try to do just the white part of the egg and see what happens. Okay, so let's see. This is going to be... What? Ah. Oh, well, I failed. Sometimes that happens, so we'll just let it go. Happens when you're cooking, you try to do one thing and it doesn't work. We roll with it. Okay, so we're just gonna have a very eggy cake. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna mix all of this together. I have my whisk. I'm gonna mix it up. So you want your mixture to become smooth. No big lumps of cake mix. Okay. That looks pretty good. Just a little bit more. Okay. Now, I'm going to take this. Before it says to put it in the microwave, I'm going to take some of my baking spray. I'm going to spray my mug. Woo. Woo. This keeps it from sticking to the sides of the mug. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of spread this around. Okay. So the inside of the mug has a film so it doesn't stick to the sides. Alright, so we're going to pour our mixture into the mug. Okay. Now I'm going to add a few more more sprinkles just to make it look cooler. Alrighty. Okay, now we're going to put it in the microwave on high for 1 minute. When the cake is done, if you stick a toothpick or a fork in it, it will come out clean. So I'm going to stop the video, put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and we'll come back and see if it worked. Okay, so as you can see, I needed my oven mitt because the mug itself was very hot when I tried to take out of the microwave. So you want mom or dad who is safe with an oven mitt to try and touch, because if I'm honest, I didn't think about that and I really hurt my finger. So you gotta be careful, okay? So if you see, my cake is not ready. So I'm going to try again. I'm going to put it in the microwave for a few more minutes and see if that works. Okay, so I put the mug in the microwave for another 2 minutes. Okay, so we're going to do the fork test and see if it comes out clean. So, let's see. Here's my fork going in. Yep. So what I'm seeing isn't really part of the cake, but it's the color from the sprinkles inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay. So you're going to want to let it sit, or what they say, let it stand for about a minute, 2 minutes, making sure it's not too hot to eat. We don't want you to burn your mouth, okay? So if you can safely check and see if it's cool enough, then it's safe to eat. Try adding some ice cream, maybe whipped cream on top, and share it with your family. I'm gonna let mine stand for a little bit, then I'm gonna test it, taste it, see how it tastes. If you find something in my recipe that you don't want to add or you don't want to do, or you found a better way to do it, please let us know, okay? I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. So for now, I'm going to sign off. Enjoy the rest of your time with your family. Enjoy your summer. Love you guys. We'll see you next year.